Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can inspect element in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Google Chrome, and when I'm going to play the video on Twitch, what I'm going to do is right click on it, and then you're gonna see inspect, and you can see anywhere you can inspect whatever you want. So I can go and click inspect, and then the bar is going to show here, and I can simply delete everything whole side, right? Of course, I'm not going to delete the Twitch by this. It's just this is what I see. And yeah, this is how you can inspect element in Google Chrome. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah. Goodbye.